Your car won't start? Don't panic. Try these 5 common fixes before you call a tow truck. Knowing these can save you time and money. Number 1 is a dead battery. This is the most frequent culprit. Often, a simple jump start will get you going again. Number 2 is a faulty starter motor. You might hear a rapid clicking sound when you turn the key, but the engine won't crank over. This indicates the starter isn't engaging. Number 3 is a bad ignition switch. If you turn the key and nothing happens at all, no dashboard lights, no sounds, the switch might be the problem. It's not sending power where it needs to go. Number 4 is simply running out of gas. It happens to everyone sometimes. Always check your fuel gauge first, especially if you were running low. Number 5 is an alternator issue. If your car started with a jump but then died shortly after, the alternator likely isn't charging the battery. This means the battery power is quickly depleted. These are the top 5 reasons your car might not start. Checking these first can often solve the issue or help you explain the problem accurately. Try these steps before resorting to a tow. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share, and leave a comment.